Looks massive. See if it changes. Alright guys, just got this from Amazon. Took me forever to search. This is a 4.5 inch double wall slant cut exhaust tip. It's 3 inch in and 4.5 inch out. I believe it's 7 inch long. I'm gonna install it over there in the Hellcat. It's definitely a lot cheaper than Carven. I'll post the link in the description below for this tip so you guys can get it. I mean, a Carven is $200 something. I just can't bring myself to pay that much. But it's well made, stainless steel polished, and I don't know who makes this, but I'll put the link in the description below so you guys can get it. I'm excited to put it on. It's supposed to be weld on, but I'm gonna see if I can use the clamps and do it that way. If not, you know, I have a muffler shop that can easily do this. Alright, I'm gonna go under the car and install this. Okay, got this project today. Replace this exhaust tip with a 4.5 inch exhaust tip that I got from Amazon. So all you need is remove this bolt right here, loosen it, and I think you need a 13 mil socket here. You need this one to remove it. Okay, once you remove it, it's gonna be a little tight, so you need to tap it with a hammer or just tap it, and it will come loose. All right, let's go ahead and do that. Okay guys, I bought it here at Compost again. Exhaust tip are being put on. Welded on. Should look nice. This place, highly recommended. They do a good job. Street Campus mufflers and brakes. You've seen these on all my videos. So I highly recommend this place. If you need muffler work, come here. These guys do a good job. So it's looking great already, as you can see. Man, that looks massive. Very cool. Very, very cool. Alright, continue this video inside to see if the tone changes because of the double wall intake. I mean, exhaust tip. It's looking good right now. Definitely more affordable than the Carven tips. So, that's the number of the place. Campos, give them a call or just show up like I do. $50 for the tips. Probably gonna charge me $75 for installing this. Way cheaper than Carven's for sure. Has the same Carven look. It's just a matter of finding out if the sound changes, the tone of the exhaust changes because of it. Alright. All done. Looks massive. See if it changes. That's very nice. Yeah, just in the back, please. Thank you. Looks nice. Yeah, a lot bigger, more aggressive looking. Alrighty, The exhaust step is done, and inside the car, see if it changed any of the note. Give you a couple revs here. Let's open up then custom mode. Sounds good. Let's do an acceleration. So you guys can hear if indeed this exhaust step made a difference in the tone. Maybe not the overall sound, but maybe in the tone. Okay. Manual. Couldn't tell, but I was paying attention to the sound because somebody just crossed my path while I was accelerating. But it looks good already. The way it looks in the back, it's massive, you know. It's a 4.5 inch tip, so not quite the size of a Carven, but half an inch should make a difference. But it's certainly big difference from the stock exhaust tip. So I linked the description of the tips below, you know, so you can go get it if you like it. You can have it walled on because it's 2.5. If you can find a 3-inch inlet, then you can just clamp it just like the stock one. But since it's 2.5, I couldn't find. I scoured Amazon, eBay, internet for a 3-inlet 4.5 or 5-inch outlet about 7-inch long. I couldn't find one, other than buying the Carvens, obviously. But I didn't want to spend $239 for a Carven. You know, it's a cosmetic mod. You know, you don't want to spend that much money. Both of these exhaust tips from Amazon is $50. They charged me $60 to install it, so $110. A big difference in the way the rear end, the exhaust looks. It's worth it. $239 for the Carvens. I don't know. I'd rather buy a CAT scan for that one, since that's more beneficial. That's just me, though. You go with whatever you want, but this is how I choose to do so with my modifications. I have to pick and choose which one is really worth spending money on. I'd rather spend it on gas and drive around some more. You know what I mean? So I'll find a quiet spot to test out the tone. I don't know if you can hear it, but if I can make sure that we can hear if there's any difference at all. It'd be hard to discern because you'll have to have a really good microphone. Anyways, so hope you enjoyed this video. I'll do a little B-roll video when I get home, so you guys can see what the muffler looks like, the muffler tip looks like, you know, on the ground and different angles. All right, so, keep watching. Okay, let's do a little tunnel run here. See if it makes a difference in sound. Sorry, but it was loud enough to probably scare the you know what out of you. So